Okay, today's offering is another shelter, very well priced. So this is like an arched PVC covered one. It's saying it's a heavy duty single tube, 20 foot by 30 foot by 12 foot. So these cones we've got laid out over here. This is how big this is. I know it's really bad to tell on a video, but it's quite a big shed, this. So there's the dog modelling the size of it. And it goes all the way there, look. So we're 30 foot long that way, 20 foot from front to back, and it's up to 12 foot high. And you can just, if I do that, you can appreciate how big it is compared to that double stable block there. So that's what we've got on this one. Again, it's in its box, it's completely unopened, brand spanking new, never been used, and it's an absolute bargain.